Well, hi there! Welcome to Bizzee Beaver's workshop. I'm Bizzee Beaver.
And I'm Chloe, the junior scientist.
And today on Bizzee Beaver's workshop, we're going to have fun, as always, and learn about carbon dioxide gas, or CO2. What's that all about?
Well, did you know that carbon dioxide is air you breathe and it comes from our bodies?
What? No way!
Every time you exhale, you produce carbon dioxide gas.
No way.
Bizzee Beaver's workshop. Bizzee Beaver's workshop. Come on now, gather round. Let's all see what's going down. The kids are bound to learn a lot in Bizzee Beaver's workshop. Bizzee Beaver's workshop.
Okay, Chloe, the junior scientist, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be doing a science project called making a bubble snake.
A bubble snake? That sounds dangerous.
Well, it's perfectly not dangerous. It's super, super fun.
Really? Okay, all right. Now, here are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a half-liter plastic bottle, dish soap, a bowl of water, a sharp knife, and a sock. Now, does that sock have to be clean or dirty, Chloe? P.U.
I think it would be more preferable if it were clean.
I think so. I think you're right. Now, Chloe, there are 4 easy steps you can follow. First, take that plastic bottle and use the knife to cut off the bottom of the bottle. Now, this is pretty tricky, so get an adult to help you. In fact, we had Chloe's daddy cut the bottom off for us, so it's all ready to go. Can we see that bottle now, Chloe? Bring that out. See, it's already cut on the bottom. Then take your sock and roll the sock over the open end of the plastic bottle. This might be a little tough to do, so you might have to really work on this. And you roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it to the end. Best you can. This is really tricky to do.
Like this?
Yep. And then you put it on the end of the bottle.
Which end?
The end we cut off. This is a little difficult to do, I must admit.
Yeah.
But you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I know you can do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You almost need like 4 hands to do this, don't you?
Yeah.
So now we're putting a good squirt of dish soap into your bowl of water.
How much?
Oh, I'd say about, I don't know, a couple of good squirts. There we go. All right. And now sort of use your finger and stir it in kind of gentle there in the water. Don't make a lot of bubbles. And then, step 4, here's the fun part. We dip the sock end of that bottle into the liquid. Blow through the neck of the bottle to create a bubble snake. Whoa, cool! That's really cool. That is neat. I like that. Congratulations, Chloe, you just made a bubble blower, or a bubble snake.
Wow.
Cool. You want to know how that works? The threads in the sock behave like little bubble hoops that hold a soap film. When you blow into the bottle, the CO2 coming out of your mouth creates a bubble when it hits the soap film. The foam is really just a whole bunch of tiny bubbles all grouped together. You create soapy foam when you wash your hands by trapping air inside the soap film. Soapy foam is also good for washing dishes, and special kinds of foams are even used to fight fires by cutting off the oxygen supply to the flames. Did you know that bread is also a kind of foam? As the dough rises, the yeast in the dough produces carbon dioxide, or CO2 gas. making lots and lots and lots of tiny bubbles that make the dough get bigger or expand. And when you put the dough in the oven, those tiny little bubbles turn into big bubbles, and you end up with a tasty loaf of bread. Whoa, isn't that cool? Look at all those bubbles.
Yeah.
Whoa! Well, that's it for Bizzee Beaver's workshop today. Hope you had fun and learned a little something too, right, Chloe?
Right.
And she's Chloe the Junior Scientist. And I'm Bizzee Beaver. See you next time on Bizzee Beaver's Workshop.
Bye, everybody.
Bye! You can also check us out at BizzeeBeaver.com for lots of other cool stuff and information. Have a great day. Bye!
Bye.
Wow, I've never seen so many bubbles.
I know.
That is really neato. Cool, I could use that down at the beaver pond. Neato. I love that. It's a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.